Wanted to do a quick video today about an environmentally friendly packaging product called green cell foam. So this type of packing foam is what it looks like, and this stuff, when it comes in contact with water, will rapidly dissolve. It's also safe for septic tanks and city sewage treatment facilities, and it's even compostable in your backyard. So I'll show you an example here that I already have in the sink. So you can see as the water comes in contact with the green cell foam, it just rapidly dissolves away into nothing. And again, it's not going to hurt your pipe. So it's a very environmentally friendly product. It's safe for your skin. It has no bad odor. It doesn't smell like anything. And there you go. Again, that product is called green cell foam.